I'm going to talk about occurring pattern. Let's look at weather warning. There is no weather warning, so let's look at precipitation pressure patterns starting from EPM. This something. So 1012 millibars of pressure. Let's go to next tabber, which is EPM, July the 11th. So 1000 and something. 12 millibars of pressure. It's actually 1016 or 1012. Let's check that later. Let's look at APM, July the 12th. This is something 1020 millibars of pressure. Let's go to APM, July the 13th. There is something 1060 millibars and 1020 millibars every in Southern Ontario affecting. Let's go to let's go to July the 14th. There is something 1008, 1012 millibars, and 1060 millibars of pressure. Let's look at precipitation patterns starting from 5 p.m. There is something. So, Scarborough, Stoffel, Darren, start again. Wyerton, Niagara Falls City, parts of Niagara on the Lake, Oakwood, Sissaga, Brampton, Wainsford, Toronto, Richmond, Market, Scarborough, Stoffel, Oshawa, Uxbridge, Colbert, Peterborough, Balfour, Betty, Olala, Salome, Manila is going to get some 0.25 millimeters of rainfall. AP and this something. It's Saga, Brampton, Orange, Toronto, Richmond, Market, Scarborough, Stoffel, Georgia, Betty, Olala, Midland, Peterborough, Balfour, Niagara City, those are going to get some 0.25 millimeters of rainfall. Let's go to 11 p.m. There is something. Belleville, Niagara Falls, parts of Niagara Falls City, Georgia, Betty, Adela. Those are going to get some 0.25 millimeters of rainfall during Orange Pony Market. So let's go to next tab, which is 8 a.m. This not goes 11 a.m. This not goes 2 p.m. There is something. Niagara Falls City, Sissaga, Brampton, Toronto, parts of Scarborough. Those are going to get some 0.25 millimeters of rainfall. Let's look at 5 p.m. Sissaga, Brampton, downtown Toronto, parts of Scarborough, and Agpal City is going to get some 0.25 millimeters of rainfall. Let's look at total precipitation starting from 8 p.m. July 11th, Saturdays. Sissaga 0.6 millimeters, Brampton 0.7 millimeters, down Toronto 0.6, heaviest light, that's actually 0.5, light is going to be lightest in down to around 5 heaviest 0.7 millimeters. So Scarborough parts of it. Heaviest 0.6, lightest 0.3 millimeters. Niagara Falls cities heaviest 0.5, lightest 0.3 millimeters. July the 13th, so Orange Falls gonna get some 0.5 millimeters of rainfall less. So refresh. So except they skip all the way to 7 a.m. So while Port Elgin's gonna get some 20 degrees, while 90 degrees, Hanover's gonna get some 80 degrees, Collingwood, 90 degrees, Warm Beach, 20 degrees, 90 degrees, Solid Beach, 90 degrees, Thunder Beach, 20 degrees, everywhere in Ampos, 21 degrees, Hamilton, Oakville, 21 degrees, this is like 20 degrees, Banton, 90 degrees, Dover, 90 degrees, Scarborough, 90 degrees, Downtown, 20 degrees, Oakville, 21 degrees, Newmarket, Orange, 21 degrees, Exeter, 17, Uxbridge, 80 degrees, Ashburn, 90 degrees, Peterborough, 70 degrees, Colbert, 20 degrees, Barbauld, 80 degrees, Georgia is gonna get some 20 degrees, Bavla, so 20 degrees, Baddies, 80 degrees, Adala's gonna get some 80 degrees, so Illa's gonna get some 80 degrees, Hope's Line says gonna get some 20 degrees, so let's go to next tower, which is 3 p.m. There is something. Port Elgin 25 degrees, Hanover 25 degrees, Byron 25 degrees, Hope's is gonna get some 20 degrees. Line says gonna get some 90 degrees. Collingwood 23 degrees. Palm Beach are gonna be 25 degrees. 26 Southern Beach 26 degrees. Inland 26 degrees. Sunny Beach 23 degrees. Everywhere in Airports 25.5 degrees. Hamilton Ocals 23 degrees. That's the cool, warmest. The coldest in Ocals is gonna be 24 degrees. It's Saga 20. That's actually 22. The coldest in Ocals. That's the coldest in Ocals 92 degrees. Warmest 23 degrees. It's Saga 24 degrees. Batter 27 degrees. Dover 27 degrees. Scarborough 26 degrees, Toronto 24 degrees, Newmarket, Orange 25 degrees, Hooksville 26 degrees, Oshawa 26 degrees, Peterborough 26 degrees, Coburg 24 degrees, Bravo 27 degrees, Georgina 25 degrees, Bablas is 25 degrees, Baddies gonna get some 25.5 degrees, other last 25 degrees. So let's go to the suburb, which is 7 a.m. There is something white and 80 degrees, for out and 90 degrees. Hannah is gonna get some 70 degrees, Collingwood 80 degrees, Bombay's gonna get some 80 degrees. So Salaby's 90 degrees, Sanaby's gonna be 20 degrees, Hope say 20 degrees, Lines is gonna be 90 degrees. So it's actually 18 degrees lines here. So everywhere in half was 90 degrees. Hamilton, Oakville, 90 degrees. Oakville's gonna be 90 degrees. So Brantford, 70 degrees. Zagaton, 90 degrees. Toronto, 20 degrees. Stouffville, 70 degrees. Scarborough is gonna be 80.5 degrees. Newmarket, Orange was 16 degrees. Hooks was 70 degrees. Oshawa, 80 degrees. Peterborough, 60 degrees. Galway, 20 degrees. Babel, 70 degrees. Georgina is gonna be in 20 degrees, Betty's gonna get some 80 degrees, so Babylas is gonna be 80 degrees, Alala's gonna get some 90 degrees, Alala's gonna get some 17 degrees, so let's go to the Xtaber, which is 3 p.m. There is something. For Elton, 25 degrees, Hanover is gonna be 26.5, Wharton, 28 degrees, Hopes is gonna get some 25 degrees. Lions is gonna get some 26 degrees, so actually 27. Everywhere in airports, 26.5 degrees, Hamilton, Oakville, 24 degrees, Bournemouth, coldest in Oakville, 24, Bournemouth, 25 degrees, Mississauga, 25 degrees, Brampton 27 degrees, Tofu 27 degrees, Scarborough 26 degrees, Toronto 25 degrees, Newmarket, Orange Hall 26 degrees, Hooksville 27 degrees, Oshawa 26 degrees, Peterborough 27 degrees, Coburg 23 degrees, Babel 27 degrees, Georgina is gonna get some 25 degrees, Bablas is gonna get some 27 degrees, 6 degrees, Baddy's gonna get some 26.5 degrees, Alala's gonna get some 26 degrees. Salaby is going to be 25 degrees. Bombay is going to get some 26 degrees. Thunderby is going to get some 25 degrees. And last going to get some 27 degrees. So let's go to Collingwood, 26 degrees. Let's go to 7 a.m. There is something. So for Elton, 21 degrees. Anam is 20.5 degrees. White is 20 degrees. Hope says 21 degrees. Line says going to be 21 degrees. Collingwood, 20 degrees. Bombay, 22 degrees. 21 degrees, solid base 22 degrees, thunder base gonna get some 23 degrees. So solid base, thunder base, solid base. Everywhere in air was 90.5 degrees. Hamilton, Oakville, 70 degrees. Oakville, cold is 17. Mormon is gonna be 18. Sissaga, 18 degrees. Vantage, 80 degrees. Tofu, 70 degrees. Scarborough, 80 degrees. Downrighton, 90 degrees. Newmarket, 70 degrees. Orange Hill, 70 degrees. Hooksville, 18 degrees. Oshawa, 80 degrees. Peterborough, 70 degrees. Coburg, 20 degrees. Bowell, 80 degrees. Georgina is gonna get some 1.5 degrees, 20 degrees. Bablas is gonna get some 90 degrees, 80 degrees. Perry's gonna get 18 degrees. Alala is gonna get some 20 degrees. So let's go to inland, which is 20 degrees, so 90 degrees. Alala is gonna get some 20 degrees. So let's go to next tower, which is 3 p.m. July the 13th. So what? 28 degrees, boy, also 24 degrees. 25.5 is going to be Hanover. Hope say it's going to get some 27 degrees. Line says it's going to be 27 degrees. 27 degrees. Collingwood 29. Bombay is 27 degrees. Salaby is 26 degrees. Thunderby is going to get some 26 degrees. Everywhere now about 30 degrees. Hamilton. Oakville 30 degrees. This Oakville warm is going to be 29 degrees. Cold is 26 degrees. Oakville. Sissaga 26 degrees. Toronto 26 degrees. Warrington 32 degrees. Tofu 31 degrees. Scarborough 27 degrees. Toronto 26 degrees. Newmarket, Orange Hall 31 degrees, Hooksville 30 degrees, Oshawa 27 degrees, Peterborough 29 degrees, Coburg 24 degrees, Bravo 27 degrees, Georgina 30 degrees, Baddies 31 degrees, Babylon 31 degrees, Alalas 30 degrees, 29.5 degrees. So Atlas gonna be 30 degrees, so 31 degrees. So let's go to next tower, which is so let's go to 8 a.m. There is something. So Port Elgin's 23.5 degrees, Hanover is gonna be 24 degrees, White 24 degrees, Hope say 23 degrees, Lance and it's gonna be 23 degrees. Collingwood 25 degrees, Bombay's 25 degrees, Arabi 25 degrees, last 26 degrees. Then the beach gonna get some 24 degrees. So there's no 30 degrees. All of a sudden, everywhere in Southern Ontario is below 30 degrees Celsius, not above. So everywhere in Niagara Falls, 25 degrees. Hamilton, Oakville, 24 degrees. Oakville, warm is 24. Cold is gonna be that's cold is in Niagara. Cold is in Oakville, 24. Warm is 25. In Oakville, Sissaga, 25 degrees. Ryan, 26 degrees. Dover, 25 degrees. Scarborough, 24.5 degrees. Toronto, 24 degrees. Newmarket, 25 degrees. Orange, so it's gonna get 25 degrees. So Oaks is 25. Yeah, so 24. Peterborough, 25. Coboy, 20. Belleville 24, Georgia 25 degrees, Betty's gonna get some 25 degrees, Memphis is 25 degrees, Alala 25 degrees. So let's go to the next tower, which is London. Let's go to next tower, which is 2 p.m. There is Subway Olsen 25 degrees onwards, 26.5 degrees White, 30 degrees Lancet, 30 degrees Hopesy, 30 degrees Collingwood, 33 degrees Palm Beach, 28 degrees. Salisbury 28 degrees, and the beach gonna be 25 degrees. Everywhere in Airport 31.5 degrees. Hamilton Oakville 31 degrees. Oakville's gonna be 32 degrees. No, so this is August 32 degrees. Bad 36 degrees. Oval 36 degrees. Scarborough 34 degrees. That around 32 degrees. Newmarket Orange Show 32 degrees. Uxbridge that's 34 degrees. Newmarket Orange Show. Uxbridge 34 degrees. Sasha 31 degrees. Peterborough 24 degrees. Coboy 26 degrees. Belleville 29 degrees. Georgina 33 degrees. Bablas is gonna get some 34 degrees bad. He's gonna get some 34 degrees. So 35 degrees. So let's go to